Hello friends, I'm here to share a few tips on how to make this card. It features the Path of Petals stamp set, which first appeared in the 2019-2020 annual Stampin' Up catalogue, and it's back again for another year. In addition to the 6 lovely sentiments, there are 3 image stamps that work together to create the flower on this card. It uses a technique called 3-step stamping. There are different ways to make this work, but for me, I found it easier to stamp the stems first, the flowers next, and finish it off with the leaf highlights. The trick is to look at a few key spots and make sure they line up. It's a bit like a jigsaw. You have to move those second and third stamps around to get them to line up, but once you've done it and you know where to look, it's pretty straightforward after that. So that's what the 3-step stamping's all about, and you can see it in action here. I should really mention about the stamp in the middle. You'll see that it's a bit stained red even before the ink was on it. You'll find that red, purple and even pink stamps do stain photopolymer stamps, but don't stress. It's perfectly normal, and once you've cleaned the stamp, it won't transfer ink. One thing to mention is you need to take extra care when putting the photopolymer stamp onto the block. You don't want it to accidentally bend or stretch. Otherwise, no matter how careful you are, you won't be able to line those images up. The best way is to put the stamp face down on your table so that it goes back to its natural position or shape, and then place the block straight down onto it and it will be ready to use. If you do that for all 3 stamps, you shouldn't have any troubles lining them all up. This card features the Ornate Floral 3D embossing folder on the bottom half, and it also has the 2 1cm wide strips of vanilla cardstock which are glued together across the middle. Some shimmer was added to the flowers with the Wink of Stella Glimmer brush. More info, including colours and dimensions, are in the description of this video. Thanks for joining me today. Have fun getting crafty.